Okay, so you know about triangles, right? But
Yeah.
you don't know too much about triangles. But I'm going to stick with some simple-ish kind of triangles. They're called right triangles.
Yeah. I think they're scaling right triangles.
Well,
It could be.
yeah, let's not get into geometry terms. We'll just say these are right triangles. Okay. So, for example, here's 1, 3, 4, 5. And the reason I'm going to stay with right triangles is because right triangles, there's one easy way to calculate the area. You multiply the base times the height, and you divide by 2. And the reason is, I just want to show you, since we haven't talked too much about triangles with you, I can pretend there's a rectangle. And the right triangle is half the area of the rectangle.
Yep.
Okay. So, can you then tell me what the area of the 3, 4, 5 triangle is?
That it would be 6.
Very good. It would be 6. And if I multiply it by, let's choose something different than 3.
Let's
How
do.
about 5?
Okay.
You get a triangle that's 15,
20,
25.
25. And what's this area?
This area, it would be 150.
Very good.
Well, 6 times 25 is 150.
So 6 times 25 is 150. We multiplied the side lengths by 5.
And then.
And the area got multiplied by?
And the area got multiplied by 25.
25.
So it looks like whatever you scale the area, what number you multiply by to scale the area, that number squared is what you have to multiply to get to the new area.
Yeah, almost. I think you said it wrong just by accident. What are we scaling at first?
We're scaling now triangles.
But we're multiplying what by 5 in this?
We're multiplying the whole thing by 5.
But not the area.
No, not the area.
What are we multiplying by 5?
We're multiplying all the sides of the triangle.
The sides by 5. Multiply the side lengths by 5. That makes the area multiplied by what?
25.
25. And now real quick, I just want to do it with the triangle and the fractions. Okay? Ooh. So I'm going to take a 6, 8, 10 triangle. And what's easy to divide these sides by?
Well,
you can divide it by 2.
Okay, which is the same as multiplying by?
But you can multiply by 1/2.
1/2. Okay, so the 6, 8, 10 triangle, what's its area?
It's 6 times 8 over 2, which is 24.
And when I multiply all the sides by 1/2 or divide them by 2, what triangle do I get?
You get a 3, 4, 5 triangle.
And that area was?
That area would be, the area, it would be 6.
6, right. 3 times 4 divided by 2. And by the way, I just want to emphasize, this doesn't work for all triangles, only right triangles.
Yeah.
Base times height divided by 2 does work for all triangles, but those aren't always the sides. Now, I divided by 2, or I multiplied by 1/2, just to stick with multiplying. Multiplied by 1/2, what happened to the area?
You multiplied by a 4th.
Ooh.
Because 1/2 times 1/2 is a 4th.
1/2 times 1/2 is a 4th. Very interesting. Okay?
Yep.
You ready to see something really neat?
Yeah.